Good morning. Today is 8th August, English video session for class 6. We have completed the story of who did Patrick's homework. We had done a lot of readings, spell tests, and we have done the meanings also. By this time in your classwork, you would have written all the spellings which I have given you as tests. Then you would have written all the words and meanings given by me. The next that is going to follow is the question answer session, which is going to be there. You have to write in your classwork just after the meanings. Okay. Now, first question. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Patrick thought his cat was playing with a little doll, but it was really a man of the tiniest size. This is the answer. Can you write it? What is that two that is given is in that particular paragraph? The particular answer is found out, so the children can go. If you have already run the answer, they are very good. Now write it properly in grammatical mistakes, no error, no grammatical errors, spelling errors. Write the answer question, then leave a line, write the answer, then leave a line. Okay, start doing it. Next, why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? The little man grant, you have to write it as granted. See there, don't write grant in the answer. The little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to get free from the cat. The little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to get free from cat. Finish writing? Yes. Third, what was Patrick's wish? It is available in the third paragraph. What was Patrick's wish? Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework till the end of the semester, which is for 35 days. Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework. What? To do all his homework till the end of the semester, which was for 35 days. How many days was given? 35 days. Please write. Write neatly. Don't make any errors. Capital P. Okay. Now we are going to the next question. In what subject did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? The little man needed Patrick's help in English, mathematics and human history. English, capital E, capital M, maths, human history. Please write it exactly like this. Do not make any errors. Yes. Let's go to the leave a line. Next question. How did Patrick help him? Patrick helped him by consulting a dictionary, guiding the little man in doing sums in arithmetic, read out portions from history book. Patrick helped him by consulting a dictionary, guiding the little man in doing sums in arithmetic and read out portions from history book. Yes, did you write it? Okay. The next question is, who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answer. It is not the little man but Patrick himself had did his homework, as the little man did not know anything in English, maths and human history. Patrick had to consult dictionary, guide him with maths and help him to read too. He stayed up at nights and worked hard. Therefore, it was Patrick who did the homework. Please write it. Now working with language. Fill in the blanks in the sentences that is given below. Write it like this itself, children. I will give you the answers. You can write accordingly. Okay? Yes. Please put a box and write out of luck, mystery, true to his words, course, semester, between you and me, look up. Please put a box and write all the words inside. Now shall I read? You write one below the other, leave a line and I will give you the answers. You note down simultaneously. Some of the people find household chores. C H O R E S. Right. Some people find household chores are bore, but I like to help at home. Okay? Who stole the diamond is still a mystery. MYS TERY. MYS TERY. Mystery. Is that clear? Third, this dash we are going to have class exhibition. Semester. 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 Right. Okay, next. Dash the elf began to help Patrick. True to his words. Right? True to his words. True to his words, comma. Can you dash this word in the dictionary? Can you look up? Look, L-O-O-K, look up. Okay. I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. OUTOFLOCK. Luck. Out of luck. There was a traffic jam. Out of luck. Clear. Next. She says she got lot of books, but between you and me, right? Between you and me. What is the meaning of between you and me? Secret. Don't tell it to others. Between you and me. What is the meaning? Meaning is keep it as a secret. Don't tell others. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, between you and me, I think most of them are borrowed. Please write. Okay, now look into the next work. It is a game. Okay, children, this is a game. Just see the game, how it is. Very tired. What is very tired? You see the book, what is the meaning for very tired? Weary, W-E-A-R-Y. Then up, you see, coming down 7. A basket without lid. What is it? Hamper, H-A-M-P-E-R. Yes? Shrieked, S-H-R-E-A-K-D. Second. What are the short trousers? Breeches. B-R-E-E-C-H-E-S. Breeches. Yes? Can you write what is that? Faulty, fault in the machine. Glitch. G-L-I-T-C-H. Can you try? Okay. Hamper. Okay. What is that 3 word? Elf. E-L-F. That small man. You remember? Yes. Can you complete the game? You have to draw that in the classwork. Is that clear to you? Yes. By this, the class is over. We shall do, before the next class, you should have completed the question answer, meanings, spell words, grammar part, which I have told, working with the language, this game, everything in the classwork before you come to my next class. Is that clear to you? You should not delay. Okay? ठीक है. Thank you children. Bye.